All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So recently I just passed 200 subscribers and then one of my videos surpassed 1,000 views. So I'm gonna go into my YouTube channel analytics and actually show you if I make money as a small YouTuber with only 200 subscribers. And then I'm also gonna go into my analytics and show you guys how I actually look at them, how I determine what topics I should be making in the future, and then how I use the analytics to actually grow my channel. And just a reminder, if you're new here, or if you've seen some of my videos and aren't subscribed already, go down there, hit the subscribe button with the little alert bell so you don't miss any of my videos in the future. It's free and it really does help my channel out, and I'm about to show you why in my analytics. Let's go. All right, so you can see here, we're in YouTube Studio. So this shows all my analytics for my channel, and this is the main analytics page. So I'm gonna have it set to the last 90 days because my channel has only been a thing since the end of January, so I'm coming up on 3 months. So this will capture my entire YouTube career. So you can see here, it gives me an overview of the views, watch time, and subscribers over time, when I've posted videos, and when people are actually viewing. And then on the right over here, you can see my real-time subscribers and real-time views, what videos I'm actually getting views on, and everything like that. This analytics page has a bunch that you could dig into, but we're actually gonna go right into the more details of my views. All right, so now we're in the more detailed graph version of my video analytics. And you can see here, there's this nice kind of line chart of my videos and when they're actually getting views over time. So if we scroll down here, I can actually sort on the amount of views. So right now I have it sorted from the most popular in terms of views to the least popular. So I actually check this to see what videos are doing well and what videos I can actually make in the future to improve my channel in the long term. So you can see right here, it goes over views, watch time, subscribers, impressions, and click-through rate. Now, all of this is important for a video to actually do well on YouTube, but you can see my top video right now is my Chase Sapphire Preferred 2020 Reviews Plus Benefits video, and you can see it just hit over 1,000 views the other day. So those 1,020 views have actually accounted for 14% of the traffic on my channel. And you can also see that that video has gained me 17 subscribers. So it actually counts when someone subscribes when they're watching a particular video. And I can actually sort by subscribers to see what videos are actually giving me the most subscribers. So these are topics that I'll probably revisit in the future, and these are video ideas that I'll probably try to build on to grow my subscriber base. Two other interesting topics that YouTube actually uses in their algorithm to push videos are impressions and click-through rate. So impressions is the amount of time that a thumbnail is actually seen. So when, say, my Chase Sapphire Preferred video, whenever someone sees it in the search or I post it somewhere and it's seen, say, on Facebook, it'll count as an impression. And then the click-through rate is the percentage of the people that see the thumbnail and actually click on it to view the video. So ideally, I want very high click-through rates, and usually anywhere from 8% to 15% is a great click-through rate. And you can see if we sort all my views again, my top performing views videos have very high click-through rates. So anywhere from 8 to 12%, which is very good. So another thing I like to look at in my YouTube analytics are actually the amount of likes and comments on videos, because that shows how many people are engaging with the video and how many people are actually interested in the topic. So if we scroll to the right over here, you can see the comments, how many comments there are per video, and how many likes and dislikes there are per video. So I actually go and analyze this pretty hard weekly to determine what topics I should keep doing and what topics I maybe shouldn't do ever again. So you can see my most recent video, my reaction video to Millennial Money. It has 133 views already, 21 comments, and 10 likes. So this view is doing pretty well as far as engagement. I'd like to see it a little higher, but we'll see how it actually performs in the long term to see if I should be doing more of these videos. And as no surprise, my most liked video right now is my Chase Sapphire Preferred video with 1,000 views, and that has 30 likes. And I think my second highest is actually my Robinhood Cash Management Card video at 28 likes. And this video also has 21 comments, and it's been doing very well recently. It's been getting getting picked up in YouTube search, and I'm actually gonna show you the traffic sources and how people actually see my videos. So just one last point on the likes and comments. If you do end up liking one of my videos, be sure to go like it and comment down below for that video, because it shows me when I actually review this how many people are engaging in the video, and it shows me if they've actually liked the video so I can make more videos on it in the future. Now, it might just be a video doesn't have a lot of views because it's not getting picked up in YouTube's search engine, or a lot of people maybe aren't searching for it. So I'll give you an example. My video, What I Spend in a Week as a 23-year-old, that video right now has 202 views and it has 22 comments, 15 likes. But this video isn't easily searchable in YouTube's search engine. So no one's really searching for how much does a 23-year-old make normally, or how much does a 23-year-old spend normally. That's not something someone's gonna be searching. So those type of videos heavily rely on other people sharing the videos, or the engagement, meaning likes and comments, are actually very high on those videos for YouTube to actually suggest them to other viewers. So it is very important to like and comment on all of the videos that you enjoy so I can make more of them. Okay, so right now we are in the traffic source tab of my YouTube analytics for the past month, and this shows per day where I'm actually getting views from. So if we scroll down below, we can actually see the different traffic sources. So there's YouTube search, channel pages, browse features, suggested videos, and so on. And right now, being a small channel, the best way for me to gain visibility on my videos is to actually have my videos show up in YouTube search. So when someone types in American Express Gold Card, my video actually shows up in the search results so people can click on them. Since my channel isn't big enough right now for the viewership just to be based off of subscribers or people sharing the videos, I try to gear a lot of my videos towards the YouTube search engine. But hopefully in the future, a lot of my videos start getting shared more and they start gaining more traction so they can be viewed, say, on YouTube's homepage, or they could be suggested to you from YouTube because it thinks that you as a viewer might want to watch the video. So right now I'm focusing on YouTube search, and you can see this blue line is my YouTube search, and the YouTube search does provide me with the most amount of views right now, but you can see in the past few days the browse features actually has been giving me a decent amount of views. And browse features is either the home page or your subscriber page. So a lot of the time YouTube will try to push some videos, and this actually happened with my cash management Robinhood video. It was pushed to the home page of some viewers because, say, they watched other cash management videos, and it was recommending to them, okay, you might like this video because you've watched similar videos before. So that's another reason why my channel's been gaining some traction in the past few days. And as I said before, if there are some video topics that aren't really searchable in YouTube, such as how much I make, what I spend, or other things like that you like, be sure to share those videos with your Facebook pages, with your friends, because it does drive more views to the video, and then it makes them more popular, so YouTube can then push them out to more people. And then it also tells me that I should be making more of that content if you're liking them and sharing them with more people. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually show you the analytics of my 1,000 viewed video. So this is my Chase Sapphire preferred video, and I'm gonna show you how I look at the analytics and how much I could be making with this video. So you can see right off the bat that it has 1,000 views, and that the views since I posted on February 1st have been gradually growing over and over, and that is because of the YouTube search engine. So you can see it's been growing at a pretty gradual rate. The past maybe week or two, it's gotten a little bit more traction, and then it hit 1,000 views a few days ago. So I can actually go in here and see the watch time, the amount of subscribers, and when they actually subscribed from the video. A big analytic that I look for in my videos is the retention rate. So YouTube is more likely to push a video out to more viewers if the retention rate of the video is high. So usually I like to see above a 40% retention rate. Basically what that means is that the viewer is watching that video on average at least 50% or 40% of the way through. So I can actually see the line graph of when people are leaving the video, how long they're staying, and how many people actually stay till the end of the video. And then you can see on the right over here for this specific video, how many views are coming from YouTube search versus other methods of traffic. As I said, this video highly revolves around YouTube search, and that is where I'm getting a lot of my traffic from the video. And then for specific videos, I actually go in and see how many impressions they had. So this video has 6,300 impressions. And from those impressions, this video actually has an 11% click-through rate. So that's pretty good. 1 in 10 people, when they see the thumbnail, they actually click on it. Now this is one of my earlier thumbnails, so I could redo it, make it a little better. But my theory is if it's already working, I'm not gonna change it at all. There are views coming to the video at a decent pace, so I'm gonna leave it for now. Okay, so now I wanna talk about monetization. So do I get paid as a YouTuber with 200 subscribers? Currently, I don't, because of YouTube's monetization program. So I've just clicked into the monetization tab, and if I scroll down, you guys can see here that I'm required to have 1,000 subscribers and then 4,000 public watch hours across my videos within a year to actually be able to monetize my videos. Now what that means is I have to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours to be able to place ads for YouTube within my videos. So I'd love to be able to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours by the end of this year to actually monetize my channel and to start making some money off of it. Now the amount of money depends really on the video. So YouTube goes off what they call CPM. Basically what it is the cost per 1,000 views of a particular video. Now that could range in my niche, which is kind of personal finance, credit cards, investing. Usually it's anywhere from $5 per 1,000 views to $30 per 1,000 views. And the catch with that is YouTube actually takes 45%, almost half of that revenue. Okay, so now that I've showed you a quick view of my analytics and what I actually look for to create more content in the future, I want you guys to go down below to this video and tell me what type of videos you want to see from me in the future, because I want to make sure I'm making videos that you guys will like and that you guys actually want to see. And if you have a favorite video that I've made in the past and you haven't liked or commented on it, I'd love for you guys to go back to that video, comment on it, and let me know you'd like to see more of that video in the future. Again, don't forget to go down there, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the alert bell. It's completely free, and it's gonna help me get to my goal of 250 subscribers by the end of this month. All right, here are a couple videos that you guys might like. I'm gonna have another video coming out tomorrow, so stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed. Have a good one.